we are in corporate financial management, the chapter 2, source of finance. So within module 1, we have created the company or established the company. Chapter 2, source of finance. For running the business, we need the fund. So finding the source, how we can collect the money in cheaper way for our business. So today we may discuss stock market in the source of finance, alternative investment market and over-the-counter market, the institution that work and use the market, money market, option market, other source of finance, sponsorship, grants, subscription, etc. If we see the source of finance generally we can take it two types. One is internal, another is external. So internal, it can be personal capital. We can take money for business from our families, friends, relatives, etc. Is the internal source. Also, in an established company or old company, it's have the working capital within the organization. So if we see the source of finance internally, personal capital, family, friends, also we can use the working capital of companies, and retained profit or retained earnings what we have within the company, we can use it as a short-term source of finance. And we have also the external source of finance. It can be debt finance, it can be public finance, it can be equity finance. And equity finance we can divide in two types: public equity finance and privately. And publicly go for IPO, etc. So source of finance may be done from a variety of reasons. Traditional area of need may be capital asset requirement, new machinery, or the construction of new building or depot, the development of new products, etc. We need the finance. The source of finance or fund, that means a company might be raised new fund from the following source: from the stock market, and from the stock market it can be new share issue or right issue. New issue, that means that companies go for IPO, and right offer, the listed company, they can issue right offer for the existing shareholder. It is the right for existing shareholder first they purchase. That means right issue. From that we can find the capital also. We can take the loan capital, we can use the retained earnings, we can take the money from bank, we can take money for the government source. This expansion is scheme fund, different types of fund if we have, then we can use it as a source of fund. We can take money from venture capital, etc. The stock market. The stock market listing is a way of raising long-term equity finance for company by offering share to potential public and institutional investors. And we know IPO float on the stock market involve publicly offering share to raise capital. A lot of companies are not coming to the capital market, and also we are trying, our government is trying for a vibrant capital market. So present Securities and Exchange Commission is working on it. So new share issue, how we can do it? Share issue, a company seeking to obtain additional equity fund, maybe an unquoted company, not listed, is unquoted, wishing to obtain a stock exchange quotation. An unquoted company wish to issue new share, but without obtaining a stock exchange quotation. A company who is already listed a stock exchange, additional new share, that means repeat public offering, RPO, that means additional new issue. So offer, sale, etc., sale of a life cycle of a company. Let's look here. If one company first got one time is grow, everything has to have the cycle. So when it go for declining mode, that time they go for the expansion and new capital inject within the organization, and then company again is run properly. So it is the cycle of company life cycle. Going for public, that means IPO, company should take the decision, that means process of listing with a stock exchange is the basic summary. Process, very briefly here, firstly have to go for public, have to take the board decision of the company, and have to appoint issue manager. This issue manager is from the Security Exchange Commission, and decide method, which method have to use, fixed price or book building. In case of IPO under book building or others, have to audit the auditor panels. SEC have a auditor panels where 40 auditors are within that panel. Initiate process for the credit rating, mandatory for bank, insurance, NBFI, and develop a company's website with publication of company finance. Then first a decision go for public, their work is here, and then prepare a draft as per the public issue rules, and then apply to the Security Exchange Commission for public offer. And not only SEC, it have to also apply to stock exchanges, both two stock exchanges, Dhaka and Chittagong. IPO approval, this is some process here, and then subscription and lottery, then allotment and refund, listing approval by the stock exchanges, credit share to the specific BU account through the CDVL, and commencement of trading. And this one is the whole process is here very shortly. And the process of listing by offload share, direct listing. Direct listing means, as per the SEC rule, government company should use through this process, direct listing. Directly the listing through offload the share, the stock exchanges. So it's process of listing by offloading share of a companies through direct listing is the only for government companies. We use the policy decision, line, activity, mode, entity, size, operation, asset mix, etc. Using all things, we are taking, organization are taking the risks for the business and get the return, and within this work activities, value increase or decrease of the organization. So there are some factors affect financial decision. There are two types of factors influence financial decision. Some are internal, some are external. Some are internal factors for influence the financing decision. One of nature of business. Nature of business depends on the finance, with how much money you need, and age of firm, size of the business, extent and trend of earnings, liquidity position, working capital requirement, composition of asset, nature of risks, and expected return. All are the internal factors influencing financial decision. And capital structure, capital market, money market, country's economy, requirements of the investors, government policy, taxation policy, financial institutions, bank, lending policy, all are external factors that factors influencing financial decision. For example, lending policy. At this moment, do you know few banks are offering lending just only 7%. 7% interest bank are giving you money as a loan. For example, 2 or 3, 4, 5 years ago, that loan is 18%, 17%, 16%, that loan interest. Now it's come down, government taken the bar 9%. And now all banks, they have the sufficient liquidity. Factors also influence financial decision. Profit, valuable shareholders, high risks, finance. And here's some source of working capital. Here we know that our working capital is the difference between current asset and current liability. So based on the working capital ratio, we can think that the sufficient cash organization have for meeting the obligation, that means short-term obligation. Current liability means short-term obligation, and current asset The component of current asset we know cash, inventories, receivable, others, and also inventory. We have three types of inventories. We have material inventories, work in progress inventories, finished goods inventories. All are inventories. So it is the part of current asset. So same way, current liability. That amount we have to pay within 1 year. For example, our payable, our creditors, etc. Current liability. So difference between current asset, current liability, we get the working capital. So source of working capital, there are different types of source we have. One is permanent source. That means share capital, retained earnings, and long-term source, preference share, it may be debenture, mid-term working capital, term loan, etc. Not within the country also, and short-term source view. So in your question 1 year, it's come here that temporary working capital versus permanent working capital. Also fixed working capital and variable working capital. It can be called this way. Temporary working capital, that means variable. Permanent working capital, that means fixed working capital. So here, temporary working capital is the temporary fluctuation of net working capital over and above the permanent working capital. Look here, if we see this picture here, this is the working capital. This red color line is permanent working capital. We have to always have to keep this amount, and this line is the temporary working capital, or seasonal. Sometimes we need it, sometimes it's higher, sometimes low, but permanent working capital should be permanent. The baseline is the straight line. So it is the additional working capital requirement arise out of the seasonal demand of the product or any seasonal event which otherwise are not predicted. Offer is also the source of finance. Right issue provide a way of raising new share capital by means of an offer to existing shareholders, inviting them to subscribe cash or new shares in proportion of their existing, the right for existing shareholder, and also preference share. We can, and then source of finance, alternative investment market, that means OTC, over the counter market. Then institutional, that means from the banks, investment bank, others, and we can take from the money market. A money market is the segment of the financial market in which financial instrument with high liquidity and very short maturity trade, money become a commodity. For example, bill of exchange, the certificate of deposit, etc. Here, so few example, acceptance, etc. Example here. Option market. So it's another market, but in our country we have no option market. What is option? An option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price or before a certain date. An option, just like a stock or bond, is security. So here, option, also two types of option. One is call option, another is put option. A call option is an option to buy a certain asset by a certain date for a certain price, and put option is option to sell. That means call means side, put means sell. Another type of finance, that means grant, and if we get the grant also can be take the finance. Corporate donation also, fewer sponsorship, fewer subscription, etc. All of the source of finance. So here the source of fund or finance, we can say there are different types of source of finance. Here, if we see on the basis of period, there are three types: long term, middle term, and short term. And the basis of ownership, owners fund, brewers fund. On the basis of generation, that means internal generated and external generated. So it is I think it's all is easy here. Here long term, that means equity share or ordinary share, retained earnings, preferred, debenture, etc. Short term, trade credit, factoring, commercial paper, etc. Ownership equity share is the own fund, retained earnings, and borrower and debenture, bank loan, commercial paper, public deposit, etc. And from the internal source, equity and return, and external source, financial institutes, other thing, public deposit, commercial paper, trade credit, factoring, bank loan, preferential, etc. Factors affect the cost of capital. So cost of capital, if we go for finding the capital or fund, we have to calculate the cost. We have to determine the cost, and after determining the cost, less cost item will take. So here, factors affecting the cost of capital, that means general economic condition, that means affect the interest rate, market condition affect risk premium, operating decision affect the business risks, financial decision affect the financial risks, amount of finance, how much money I will take, affect flotation cost and market price of security. And generally, we are calculating weighted average cost of capital for determining the cost of capital and taking the fund or project for the project or any item. So working capital, weighted average cost of capital, we are calculating this way, and different type we can calculate it. So its main thing that the component of capital, the capital is different types of capital we have. One is equity capital, another is loan capital. All are the capital, and that means it can be preference capital, preference share, it's also capital, loan capital also capital, equity capital also capital, bond capital, bond also capital, all are the capital. But equity capital or the capital or ordinary capital is the real owner, but others are just loan, they will get the interest, and equity holder only get the dividend after the tax, and preference shareholder it get the preference on behalf of the ordinary shareholder. So cost of capital we have to calculate. The formula is that weighted average cost of capital. And here some thing also here few things here. It is expected to pay an annual dividend 0.8 a share next year. The market price of a stock is 22.4 and the growth rate is 5%. What is the company's cost of equity? So have to find out the cost of equity. So cost of equity equal to dividend per share divided by current market value of share plus growth rate of dividend. So here all item is within the question. So dividend per share 0.8 and current market value debt and 5% is growth. So here cost of equity is 8.57%. And also we know cost of equity also we can calculate risk-free rate of return plus premium expected to risk. Also we will calculate the CAPM method, a capital asset pricing model. Also risk-free rate of return plus beta multiplied by market rate of risk minus risk-free rate of return. And here's some short note: internal rate of return, what is this? Earning yield, what is this? Portfolio theory, what do you mean by portfolio theory? Fundamental theory of share value, capital rationing, what do you mean by capital rationing? Market capitalization, beta factor, all are written here. And look here, this is your question last exam. That means someone are waiting for result. So this is the question. Look here, the pattern of question. Who are the new? Look here. What are the internal and external factors affecting capital structure? Look here. This thing just we discuss. Internal and external factors affecting capital structure or capital budgeting or capital financing. Discuss advantage disadvantage using equity and debt in the capital structure. And this one is In the company follow, maximize the market value of share. Which option financing should be choose? Issue and equity issue. Okay. So here, what is corporate restructuring? State the major forms in which it can be carried out. Company AB, PQ, financial details. Company is under. The requirement is that as a finance manager, what offer do you think company AB could earning per? That's been taken over. Company AB will purchase company PQ in the difference mode. Mode 1, based on net asset value, exchange ratio have to calculate, earning per share base, and market price base, and which method would be preferred. Describe the silence feature of modern approach of corporate financial management. Just theory. The working capital. This math is 12 marks, working capital. And discuss the advantages and limitation of lease financing. Whether it's maybe lease or buy decision. This math, the marks is 12. Payback period, this means from the capital budgeting, this one. And few are short note. Venture capital, transfer pricing, merger of company, cost of debt, direct listing, etc. So here 20 marks theory. Also look here 20, 12, 10. Look here, within this question 58 marks is theory. We have to emphasize capital budgeting, working capital, cost of capital or capital structure. 2 or 3 or 4 chapter if we do properly, then you would be able to inshallah 100% answer